Hi, I'm Brandon Naidu. I'm a criminal lawyer here in San Diego, California. If you've been charged with arson, no doubt you are learning that there is a huge amount of law that goes behind any arson charge. And there's so many different ways that the prosecution can charge you with arson. It can be very overwhelming to understand, okay, what laws are applicable to my case? What are my defenses? Um, could this be aggravated arson? Could this simply be regular arson? Could this be attempted arson? What are the factors that go into that? There are a lot of factors that we don't have time to go into all of them right now, but I want to highlight a few specific points that could be very applicable to your situation. The first little known fact about arson in California is that ever since the early to mid 1990s, the state of California requires that any person who is convicted of felonious arson in the state of California will have to register for the rest of their lives, just as sex offenders persons who are convicted of a sex crime have to register and be on the sex crimes registry list. Arson offenders also have to register for the rest of their lives with the state of California, just as somebody who has been convicted of a sex crime. That is news that is normally very shocking to our clients who come in who have been accused of arson. And that's the first time usually that they are learning that this is an additional severe consequence that could attach to their conviction for the rest of their lives, even after their sentence has been carried out. Whether they've done any actual custodial time or whether they got probation, doesn't matter. They have to register for the rest of their lives. And so it's very important that we are making our clients very aware of all of the potential consequences that they face, especially with charged with a very serious crime such as arson, and that potential consequence of being placed on a registration list. What can we do in developing your defense strategy and developing creative solutions to try to help avoid a conviction that would require you to register for life as a registered arson offender in the state of California? The second point that we need to consider in any arson case is, what is the nature of the alleged arson? Was this attempted arson? Was this someone who, are you accused of simply trying to set fire to a structure but did not succeed in doing so, whether you abandoned the plan or whether the environment didn't allow for it, or you were caught before able to successfully complete the commission of the crime, whether the structure was an inhabited dwelling. That can elevate the crime to what is known as aggravated arson, where there are multiple structures involved. Was the burning actual burning, or was it simply charring or scorching of the structure but didn't cause any permanent, long-lasting damage? These are all major factors that we need to take into account when developing your strategy. So if you've been charged with arson or you know somebody who has, it's important that you give our office a call, 619-577-0868.